What is up, everybody? My name is Saintslayer Gaming. Welcome to Will You Press the Button? I'm not sure if this is my first video. I have recorded a video on this before, but I don't know if I uploaded it or not. Probably, I don't think I did, but I may be wrong. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is a game where you press, where it asks you a question and you answer, and you either press the button or don't want to press the button. Okay. You become the greatest actor to ever live, past, present, and future. Nobody will trust you because they can't tell if you're acting. No. It's not a very good one. You will be able to control minds. So does the person you hate most. Who do I hate most? Oh, I hate so many people. I don't know. Justin Bieber? That would be terrible. He has that kind of control over people already. I want to give him even more power. Okay, so you gain the power to read the entirety of a book simply by touching the cover. Already I know that's going to be a no, because I like the adventure of reading it. Because, like, would it be, like, instantaneously everything that pops in my head? Because that wouldn't really work for me. It doesn't work on textbooks / any books the teacher is going to quiz you about. Okay, I don't care. Because I already said I would not press the button. You gain the power to... Alright, that's just the same thing. Wait, I'm an idiot. You gain the ability to smooth talk your way through any situation. Your voice sounds like macaroni and cheese being stirred. I've never made macaroni and cheese before. Normally my siblings make it for me. Because I never really ask for it either. They're just like, hey, I have left some macaroni and cheese left over. You want some? I'm like, sure. Well, yeah, I will not. No. I don't. No. I mean, that would be cool, but no. You win every bet, you can only eat grass. What if the bet was to eat something? You, sir. There's flaw. Because a lot of bets, I know the bet, I bet you won't eat that, or if, yeah, stuff. That I can eat more ghost peppers than you can. That's the first type of pepper that came into my mind. What was that? Someone just pounded on my door or something. It's probably one of my pets. $1 million every day, but the world will be in a world war. What time is it? It's 10:09. Okay, cool. $1 million every day, but the world will be in a world war. No. X Darth Vader X down in the comments down there says you can pay for extra defense, but too bad people will still die. You can jump into any painting you want and travel to that specific world. So all I'd have to do is jump into a painting of Fairy Tail. Cool. That's like the one that I would actually want to live in. It's not my favorite world though. You become trapped in Super Mario 64. So don't jump into a Super Mario 64 painting. Got it. I will not. No. I don't know how. I don't know how that would work. Like, world peace, NASA's fundings get cut. Well, I don't believe world peace should be a thing because, well, conflict is something that makes the human race want to go forward, and it's also like, it's also stuff like balance and stuff. Because I don't know, it's just I just have reasons for not wanting that. But NASA's funding should get cut because we're giving so much just to just find a way to put people on another planet. It's more than we're actually focusing on reserving our resources. Yeah, I'll press that button. World peace, peace, world's peace. Who cares about NASA exactly? NASA needs. You can be as sassy and as sarcastic as humanly possible. So basically, be the same as I already am. Got it. You have only 5 emotions of your choice. So basically, what I already am. Got it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up to this one. Yeah, I'm pressing that button. So I would choose joy, anger, sadness. Two other ones that I think of. And no, this has nothing to do with Inside Out because I haven't seen that movie. Your waifu becomes real? I don't. Who would my waifu be? Oh wait, I think I know. Because I was one of the games that I love playing on my phone is Heroes Charge, and like one of the characters, like my favorite character in that game was like it's like ID or something was confused with another one, so it's basically gone, and it was like swapped with something that I actually hate. I actually hate that one. I actually cried. So I think whenever you see her, you transform into a 3-story dragon locked in your current emotion at the time, elevated to dangerous levels. What? So Ember Star becomes real, I guess. That's the closest thing to a waifu I have. Ember Star from Heroes Charge. I want to know if anyone else has that problem where Ember Star's ID was confused with the Armed Goblin. No, I don't think either of those things would be a good thing. It's not a really good one. Starting tomorrow, your life will improve dramatically. You will find true happiness and live a life that will surpass even your wildest dreams. You will have a painful death, and you will die. And when you die, every indication that you ever lived will be erased from the face of the planet, including all memory of you. I don't care that I'm remembered when I die. and I do care about it being painful though, but I want to like work towards happiness. Which, if you looked at my school work, you would not see anything because I suck at doing homework. So I'm great at tests. Just pop a test in front of me, like after like a week of learning a thing, learning things. Yeah, I could probably get most of it, get quite a bit of it. But homework, I can't do homework. Homework is terrible. Unless it was like reading homework, where I have to read. Oh, I wish I actually read during that time. Stupid. I will not press this button because I don't want a painful death. Fair enough. I think you'll cry for my death won't change anything. Not a very good one. Okay, let's do one more, and I will leave the last one with you. You will get a weekly letter from Arnold Schwarzenegger telling you how beautiful you are. Hey, it's Arnold. I think you look terrible. That sounds. I can't do his voice. Every time you open the envelope, you get a paper cut. That sounds like a lose-lose to me. I'm sure I'm getting noticed by the Terminator, Arnold Schwarzenegger, but I don't like paper cuts. It doesn't say if it would be a good thing. That's not a good thing. You've gained the ability to teleport anywhere at any time. Every time you teleport, you have to use the restroom immediately. What if you haven't? What if you're on the verge of dying of both starvation and thirst? I think I've stumped you. Well, I think I'll leave this last one to you. Write down in the comments which would you press this button. Okay, I also need to check what the animals are doing. That being my dogs and cats. Okay, so would you press this button if it gained you the ability to teleport anywhere at any time, but every time you teleport, you have to use the restroom immediately? I personally would not, but I want to see what you would do. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. I have no glasses on. If you wanted to see what I look like without glasses on, I look even more insane. Bye.